I recently purchased a 2003 Windstar. Only 130,000 kilometers on it, so I'm pretty happy with that. And because I need to use it for sleeping while I'm working in the big city, I decided to convert it. But then I also realized that I don't have a lot of money, and so I looked at some videos on YouTube and got some ideas about a simple no-build camper setup for a van. I've given it a thorough cleaning with all the carpets all steam cleaned, and it's actually smells quite nice inside. It'll be eminently livable. And I've just set up a cot inside and discovered it works pretty well. So here is my first probings about ideas for what to do to fit out this Windstar. And it's long and maybe a bit boring, but if you're interested in the details, then here it goes. Let's get on it. Oh, 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 oh. And there's the roof. Now, can I sit up without hitting my head? Yes. Can I get dressed? Can I sit here without hitting my head? Yes. And then I can cook on the little table right here that should fit on this side. And then I can put some things underneath here. So the question is, should I lie this way? Oh no, this is down. This is down the slope. It goes down a bit. So I will sleep with my head over here. And then the window, yeah. And then I will make these windows black with covers. And then this is what it will look like here. Sit there and then cook some breakfast. This will be on the side of the road on the park, so I can open the door, cook something. Yeah, it goes down. It goes down this way. But I can cook here and let all the smell go out here while I make my oatmeal. And then what I will see through the back is, you see the windows are very black. That's where I will sleep, and then I will, it's not bad. Not too bad. Let's get a pillow and put it in there. Okay. That in here. Pillow up there. Yeah. Okay. So, not too bad, not too bad. I think it's doable. And then there's a air coming through here. That one's stuck over there. Okay, let's pretend that we're going to sleep. I'm so tired from bus driving. Okay. Oh. And then I can turn on the light to reading. Oh, I'm in a parking lot. I'm sleeping illegally. Well, I fit. Now just to make these windows dark. Oh, I can hook my clothing on there. Okay. It has hooks for putting my work clothing. It's good. And there's another one over here. What? What the heck? Gross. I don't know what it is. It's a ball. Bodak. Oh, a little light there too. And then another one over here. Oh, that one's broken. This one's okay. I need to buy another light. So then if you're in trouble, you can just get out of bed, run up over here, start to drive. I will put on some plastic on the floor because this will get dusty very fast. So I'm going to put something on the floor to make it clean, and something soft too. And then I can put a little counter here to cook my breakfast in the morning, and then maybe something over there, and a place to put some water, and then something here too. I can put something, I don't know what, but I think it's okay. I need a pad to sleep on because this is just canvas. That is what I will do. But the nice thing is the van is completely clean. I used the water, soap, and suction, fresh water, and clean everything. But I forgot to do the ceiling. But the ceiling is okay. So that's very handy. I can hook my clothing there. Or I can maybe put some string. I can put something on here and something on here, and then put a cloth. I don't know. I have to figure out how to close out the windows so that they're private. I will think of something. It would be nice to put something that is insulating, like keep warm. But I think this will be cozy. Very cozy. But that is my little house. I hope you like it. It's not bad. All I need is a bed.